show you how to access the writing test practice test for TELPAS. Okay, step one, you're gonna go to your Google Chrome browser and we're gonna type TELPAS practice test. Okay, as you can see, you're gonna go to the first link right here and select it. It should take you to this website, the TEA website. You're gonna scroll down past this and you're gonna go to the blue section titled Online Practice Test right here. You're gonna go to the first box, Practice Test Login. Okay, here we're going to scroll down, click Sign In. Alright, you're going to select your grade level. You're going to scroll down, go to the purple first section, TELPAS Release Test, and click on that one. You're going to do the 2023 writing because that's the only one available. So we're going to select that one, reading and writing. Just remember, you can mess around with the settings, whatever you need to do. Click select. Now on here we have audio and video checks, okay? You should have a pair of headphones. Okay, you would plug these into your computer. Okay, you would put these on. And you would click, oh, let me just explain. You would click the sound check. And you can change the voices. There's David, Mark, and I can hear them. They're saying this text is being read aloud, and Zara. Mark was my favorite. We can mess around with the pitch, the rate. If you heard the voice clearly, click the I heard the voice button. If you did not hear anything, please raise your hand. So let's say I didn't hear the voice, or I skipped it or whatever. I heard the voice, so I'm going to click that. I can view the test settings, go back to changing the device, color screen and all that. Click begin test now. It's loading. Alright, you're in, and you would go and mess around with the tools. I need you